Today we will learn how to calculate an increase or decrease by percentage. For example, you can see here two questions. The first one is $80 is increased by 10%. What will be the value? $120 increased by 20%. What will be the value? For that, what we have to do, first we have to calculate what is 10% of $80. So 10% of $80. That means 10 by 100. 10% can be written as 10 by 100. Of means multiply and then $80. That means it will be equals to 800 over 100. We can multiply this 10 with 80 to get 800. And you can just cancel the zeros and you will finally get it equals to $8. So the new value will be, since the question is about increase, that means we have to add it to $80. So 80 plus $8, which is equals to $88. Then similarly, in the next question, first we have to find out what is 20% of 120. So 20% means 20 over 100 into 120. If you want to cancel the zeros, you can cancel over here also. 0 you can cancel with this 0 you can cancel with this, and you will get it equals to 2 into 12, which is equals to 24. That means 20% of $120 will be equals to $24. So the new value will be equals to $120 plus $24, which is equals to $144. Similarly, the question can be about, you have to find out what is the value after depreciation or after decreasing by some percentage. So let's understand that depreciation also means decreased by. So first of all, we have to find out what is 25% of $52. So 25% can be written as 25 over 100 into 52. The one way is you can first multiply 25 with 52 and then you can simplify. Other way around is we will simplify over here only. 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100, then 4 ones are 4 and 13 fours are 52. So the value here will be $13. Now the question is we have to find out the new value after depreciation. So new value will be equals to, in increase by we are adding, in depreciation or decrease by we will subtract. That means $52 minus $13, which will be equals to $39. Similarly, the next question is about decrease by 40%. We will first calculate 40% of 84, which is equals to 40 over 100 into 84. We can simplify it. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, and then we can simplify it further. We will multiply 84 with 2. We'll get it equals to 168 divided by 5. When I will divide 168 with 5, we will get it equals to $33.60. So now we have to find out what is the new value. So we'll do new value is equals to $84 minus $33.60. And when I will solve this part, I'll get it equals to $50.40. This is how we can find out the value of any particular thing after the percentage increase or decrease. For such helpful videos, follow my channel, like the video and leave a comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching.